It's no secret that PatMcgrath shadows are one of the top shadows in the game, but in one of the Mothership palettes, specifically this one, which is the Moonlit Seduction, which Taylor Swift has worn on the Midnight album cover, there is one shimmer in here that I see people not using to its fullest potential. Now, I did buy this eyeshadow palette because it was used on the Taylor Swift album cover, but now that I have this, I low-key love that I have it. I'm so glad I bought it, not just because of Taylor Swift, but because it is a gorgeous palette and the pigments are beautiful and the mattes are so creamy and the shimmers are so rich and the glitters are... It's giving everything you need in an eyeshadow palette, even though they are $200. And like for $200, you do get your money's worth. The palette's very heavy, the packaging's nice and sleek. I prefer the sleeker packaging over the very loud and colourful ones, but that's just my personal preference. But anyway, let's get into the shadow I'm talking about. Okay, so this is the palette. This is a Moonlit Seduction palette. So these three are the glitters, and then we've got a few shimmers here and up here as well, and then these three gorgeous creamy mattes. Now, the glitter slash shimmer I'm talking about is this one right here. So I'm going to dunk my finger into the shadow. I'm going to get quite a bit on to really show you. Look at how beautiful she is. Like, she truly is a gorgeous color by itself. But let me show you how to reach her to her full potential. So right now she's just like a basic shifting purple, shifting blue, but it has that weird brownie undertone. So like when the light's not hitting in it, like you can see here, it's this weird brownie purpley maroon color. I put down a strong black base. I use my Inglot gel liner in number 77. I'm gonna let this dry. And while we're letting it dry, I put a little bit more on the swatch up here just to really see it. It's beautiful by itself, but wait till we put it on top of this black. Okay, the black is pretty much set, so let me dunk my finger back into that shimmer and watch what happens. Okay. Look at that. It just transformed to make it more bluey. And it does shift that purple still, but look, I'm gonna really coat it all up. It's a completely different shift of color now.